Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So, literally, we are going to be looking out to Finastra review, which is one of the best loan software platform, loan management, which you can actually look into if you are much interested in using a software for your loan business and loan management software that can actually give you an effective management and one of the future banking software you actually need to use to apply it to your business for the great result if you're actually looking for a great result. So this is Finastra platform, and this is the homepage, which of course you can actually find it if you go to finasteride.com. And on the solution section, you have different kind of features, which you have lending, payment, treasury, universal banking, corporate and commercial banking, and some other features which of course you might be very much interested in looking up to if you are trying to look into the best software for the loan management platform. And with Finastra, there are a lot of different opportunities to definitely get, and also it serves different kind of companies, which of course mortgage, collateral management, consumer lending, commercial lending, cash and liquidity management, and some other features which of course I believe you will definitely be interested in. So you can definitely get all these features from Finastra. You can also see banking as a service, so the software will definitely help you with everything you will need to get started to manage your loan company. Then for the service as well, you also see different kind of features which you can navigate from one category to another in order to find the best option that suits your need. And you can also filter to partners where you can actually see who are actually partnering with Finastra. And if you literally want to find a partner for your business, you can also find it more easier on Finastra homepage. And you can also see the partner portal where you can actually log in to your portal, then see different kind of partner you are actually partnering with, and of course you are going to find it so easy to navigate. And you also have the resources section where you can actually get more of Finastra, where we have article, ebook, infographics, on-demand webinar, podcast, video, white paper, cloud, consumer experience, digital transformation, efficiency and operation, fintech, innovation, regulatory change, and some other features which of course you will definitely need when you are kind of like into software or loan software management. And I'm very sure you definitely need one of them. So you can also navigate to C or A. You can also browse all categories here to see which one will definitely work for you or what exactly you're actually looking for. So scrolling down to Finastra homepage, you also have different kind of TV on Finastra and how you can actually benefit and what are the things you definitely benefit from Finastra. They also have videos which are literally webinars where you can actually watch and on the go. So there are different kind of topics which they have actually discussed about, which is agility and volatility, and then some other features which of course I believe you will definitely be interested in. So this is season 2 of episode 1, and this is another one as well, where you can actually watch if that kind of topic is what you are actually interested in. So you can just pick one of the video and watch. I'm very sure you'll be able to generate or get more insight on what the platform is actually all about. And also these are a service financial institution which also partner with Finastra, where they are actually working with so different kind of banks, so you definitely see that okay, this is actually what I need, and these are the partners who are actually working with this brand. So definitely I'll be able to achieve much with this brand. And scrolling down, you also see explore Finastra solution that can make you ready for today and the future, which is the lending section, and also we have the payment section and treasury and capital market, as well as universal banking, which of course you will definitely have much insight about the platform and how you can actually get started. So these are the latest articles generated from Finastra, infographics, white paper. So these are the topics you might actually be very much interested in. You can jump into it and see which one you will be very much interested in. So scrolling down to more features on Finastra, you can also see these are other features which of course you will definitely be interested in, and there will be a plus to you if you're actually looking out to partner with Finastra. You can also get in touch with them by contacting them if you are actually interested in some asking questions. Then one of the customer support will definitely attend to your queries. And scrolling down, you also see different kind of features, which of course most of it you have seen at the top of the website. And you can also read the story about Finastra, the team, the office location, press and media, award, event and webinar, then customer stories, which of course you'll definitely be interested in. So these are the things I literally want to share with you regarding Finastra, and of course you can generate or benefit much with Finastra. Also, I try to get more insight about the platform regarding the review on Finastra. Then I was able to see or end up at this page. This page. Okay, so I was able to end up at this page, which are the most helpful Finastra reviews, which of course you can tap in from, and then you understand how the platform works. So you can see this is actually it's actually a software development company, and you can see the size of the business and the industry where the business actually belongs to. And these are the reviews that people submit regarding the platform, regarding the software, so that you see if this will definitely work for your need or not. So different reviews, and people are actually dropping the review based on their experience about the platform, and also how the software was able to serve them in one way or the other. So scrolling down, you will see different years, different companies who are actually using Finastra to manage their platform, manage their company, so you know if the software is actually good or not. So there is more to the reviews, but of course I believe that without wasting much of your time, so this should be very much okay for you to understand what Finastra is actually capable of, and how it can actually help you to solve out any kind of issues, any kind of problems, to help you from your need. So this all I have for you regarding Finastra, a loan software platform which you can actually use anytime, any day. So thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace.